afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for November 25th, 2016. As you see, it's November 23rd, about 3 hours before the close. Want to get this out early because it's going to start getting really slow by the end of the day in here. Right now, the futures, very slow in here, down about 1. At one time, they're down about 6, 7, somewhere in there. NASDAQ still weak, down 25. At the worst was down 40. This is exactly what I've been talking about. NASDAQ on this overbought in a downtrend. I've been showing this in the Simpler Stocks premium videos and on the email alerts. You have the Russell up 5. Bonds down 20 in here. This is a negative sign for next week. Like I've said, there's been a massive divergence between the bonds and the ESs. A lot of times it doesn't play out till right after Thanksgiving. You have the notes down 12 again. The trend just 68. Industrials up 34 again. SPX down all of 1. Transport's up again. So you have the 3 sectors that have been going up continue up. Russell, industrials, transports. Just a broken record in there. You have gold getting pounded again, down 20. We've been warning on Simpler Stocks on the futures part of it, where I show index and futures charts every morning. Do not go near gold until it stabilizes and starts to turn around. It's not even close to showing any kind of turnaround on any time frame. You have crude oil up all of 10 cents. Dollar having another great day in here, up 53. Have advanced decline, negative by about 250. You have the VIX up just a bit. This happens a lot of times when you get a little sell-off in the NASDAQ. You have the VIX up a bit. Nikkei up again with a weekend. You have the DE Dow represented, which is the German DAX, the way it's shown on Thinkorswim, down 160, and the Chinese market down all of 44. So the whole idea in here is the ESs still in this straight-up move, but that's what I'm watching. This little candle in here, and I actually just erased the EFs off here. I hate when that happens. So basically what we have in here is the ESs reversing a bit today. They were up before the opening, 3 or 4 points. Then selling off, as you see in here, all the way down to the tree line, 2193. Forget about the tree line, though. If you don't have voodoo lines, look at the last low, 2192. That's the way you have to do it. Price really does work in the long run. But the way I look at it is go to the ESs on a daily in here. As you see, new high right at the tree line. That's what I'm watching in here, is that right at the tree line in here. And all I can tell you in here is as long as the bonds go down, and I know it's a broken record coming from me, but in the long run, I think that's a very dangerous situation. I'm not saying it's that dangerous this second. All I'm saying is in the long run, it's very dangerous in there. That's what I've been warning. Actually, believe it or not, on the Simpler Stocks, on the premium side, I've been warning that no matter how bad the divergences are between the ESs on the left and the bonds on the right, they have a habit of not resolving around Thanksgiving. This has just like been a never-ending story. I'm not saying it's like I'm Mr. Authority. I'm saying it because I've lost a lot of money in past years seeing these kind of divergences, and then the market miraculously go up all until the beginning of December. A lot of times what you get is a rally like this. Then you got to sell off right at the beginning of December. Then you have the year-end rally. And that's what I'm expecting again this year. I think next year, if the bonds stay this low, this is going to be a big negative in here. So I'll just give you a hint with that. Bonds trying for another leg down. We'll be talking about that on the Simpler Stock side, on the premium side. So just to tell you what you get in here, with your $7 trial, you get the chat room from 9 to 10 in the morning. The premium videos that are a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now, and the email alerts. You also get forum, where it's a message board type communication tool between subscribers and with me, and also subscriber to subscriber. Been very active, very exciting in there. The email alerts I'm very proud of in here. To me, the second most important thing after the live chat room. I usually post at least 6 index and futures charts every morning, at least 6 stock trades and chart ideas, and then I show unusual option activity when I see it. I'm not going to post 100 ideas that you have no idea what to do when it's so many that basically analysis by paralysis. I'm trying to pick the ones that will work. The problem is, right around the election, there haven't been a lot that have really worked. When I see them, I'll post them. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Have a great holiday, and I will be talking to you on Friday.